Hey, what's up guys? It's me Ubed and you are watching Tech Expode. I'm back with a brand new video and it's time to take a look on premium noise cancelling headphone which is AKG N700NC. Before going further, if you are new to my channel then please subscribe my channel for more and click the bell icon for more latest videos. So let's get started. AKG N700NC serious audio chops to compete with Sony and Bose. The AKG N700NC sound excellent for the wireless noise cancelling headphone. Is built sturdily and is comfortable to wear. Its noise cancelling is quite effective and there's an ambient aware feature that lets you hear the outside world. Battery life is decent. The AKG N700 is not a Samsung headphone per se, but it marks a company entry into the highly competitive premium noise cancelling headphone arena. This is where you will find such models as the Bose Quiet Comfort 35-2, Sony WH-1000 Beat Studio 3 wireless, Microsoft Surface headphones and Sennheiser PXC550. All these headphones, including the AKG N700NC, carry a list price of $350. The AKG N700 costs the same as the other premium noise cancelling headphones. The N700NC is a worthy contender. For starters, it sounds excellent. It's right up there with the Sony in terms of good quality, which is saying a lot. With memory foam ear cups, it's comfortable, although not quite as comfortable as the Sony or Bose. It's also slightly heavier, weighing in at 9.2 ounces, 261 grams. The Bose is the lightest at 235 grams. Despite the fact that the headphone is mostly plastic, the build quality seems good. There's a metal hinge and the headphone both folds up and folds flat. I thought the way the headphones folded onto their side made the case a little too bulky. There's adequate padding at the top of the headband, with a strip of ultra suede material that's similar to what you will find on the Bose headband. The headphones do not put too much pressure on the crown of your head, though they do fit a little snugly. Some headphones such as those from the Sony and Microsoft have touch controls. The AKG does not. The track and the volume control are on the left ear cup. Hold down the volume up to advance a track forward. Hold down the volume down button to go back a track. On the right ear cup is a power button along with the smart ambient button. Via the AKG app, you can assign the button to activate ambient aware mode, which turns off noise cancelling and lets sound into the headphones for a talk-through mode. The latter mode mutes whatever you are listening to, turns on ambient aware and lets you talk to someone while wearing the headphones. The ambient aware button right can also be programmed to activate the talk-through feature. The headphones fold up in the case on their side, which makes the case a little bulky. It's hard to say which sounds better. The Sony delivers a little more energy of bass-heavy tracks, hip-hop, EDM and so on. But the AKG provides more sparkle and does a good job of letting you hear each instrument distinctly. I experienced solid battery life. The box says you can get 23 hours of listening with Bluetooth and noise cancelling turned on and up to 36 hours with Bluetooth turned off in wired mode. I've seen other specs that note the battery life at 20 hours with Bluetooth. I managed to go several days without recharging, but I only used it for 2-3 hours a day. The headphone charges via a standard micro USB cable, not USB-C like the Sony and Microsoft Surface headphones. Excellent but not better. I think the AKG N700NC is an excellent noise cancelling headphone. The only problem is that I would not tell you to buy it over the Sony WH-1000 which is the same price. The Sony is more comfortable to wear for longer periods, sounds equally good and has the same nice extra features like touch controls. Thanks for watching. Hey, like if you enjoyed this video and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Peace out.